Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to unlock Google Pixel 9a without the password. Alright, so let's begin. So basically we have two methods how we can unlock this phone. And for the first method, let's pretend that this phone isn't locked, but I will say that you can perform the action that I'm just gonna show you in any other device, so have that in mind. Alright, so first option is by using Google Find My Device, and that's how we can erase data and turn off the lock screen. So in here, simply type Find My Device, click on Accept. Okay, click on Sign In. Now I need to confirm using my lock screen. Okay, and now we have Google Pixel 9a. We want to click on that and click in here, click on Find My Device, make sure it's enabled right in here. And now we have two ways to use this app. We can, not app, this feature, sorry. We can use it by app or the web. I'm gonna use the web. In here we need to again sign in. And something doesn't want to work, I don't know why. But let's try once more. I don't know why. Okay, I need to continue. Alright, now it should be fine. Let's type Find My Device, Google, click on Sign In. Let's select the Google, Find My Device. Let's open up the web. Okay, now it will work. Okay, now again select Google Pixel 9a and select Factory Reset Device, the last option on the bottom. And now you can see three information right in here now on the screen. So all data will be erased permanently from Google Pixel 9a. After the reset, the device location will not be available in Find My Device, and if the device is offline, erasing will begin once it's online again. So that's the three things that you need to remember and have in mind. Okay, now all you need to do is to simply click on Next, then follow the instruction on the screen, and when you will do everything correctly, the screen will go black and you will need to set up your phone. I'm not gonna show you that because I got another option to show you right now. So I'm gonna exit Find My Device now, and then I'm gonna show you the second method. So the second method, now our phone is locked, we can't remember the password, and what to do now. Also, I will tell you a quick disclaimer that please only try to unlock your phone, in no other case someone else's, because that might be considered as a crime and that's also unethical. So only try to unlock your devices. Alright, now what to do? We need to turn off our phone first. So let's tap power button and the volume up button. And let's click on power off. Okay, now the device is turned off. And now we need to enter the recovery mode. And how to do it? We need to hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time. So we need to perform that action and we need to keep on holding. Okay, now the fast boot mode enabled first. And now using the volume keys, we need to find the recovery mode. Right in here, you can see it. And now let's confirm by clicking the power button. Okay, now the Google logo appeared. And also the Android logo. You can see also no comment. But no worries, we're gonna fix it. Okay, to move forward, we need to hold the power button and then tap the volume up. And in the moment when we are tapping the volume up, we need to release both of the fingers. So let's hold power button, now click volume up and release both fingers at the same time, just like that. Alright, now we are in the recovery mode. Now using the volume keys, we need to select wipe data / factory reset, confirm by clicking the power button, again select factory data reset, confirm, and now you can see on the bottom of the screen that data wipe has been wiped successfully. And remember that by performing this action you will also lose all of your data, so having a backup is a nice option. Alright, now you need to select reboot system. Now you can see it on the screen. Now confirm, and just like in the first case, within a few seconds the phone will be automatically turned on and you will need to set it up. Also, if you have an opportunity, you can try to go into the authorized center with the proof of purchase and there look for help. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.